Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best bike tire pumps that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Lezyne Classic Floor Bicycle Floor Pump. The Lezyne Classic Floor Drive 3.5 high-pressure bicycle floor pump in metallic black offers a reliable and precise way to inflate bike tires for road cycling, track riding, and other low-volume applications. Built with a steel barrel and piston combined with a CNC machined aluminum base, it ensures stability and long-term use. The varnished wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, making each pump stroke efficient and smooth. This pump is designed for riders who require accurate inflation, featuring an oversized 3.5-inch analog gauge that delivers precise pressure readings for better control over tire performance. The gauge is easy to read, helping to maintain optimal tire pressure for improved speed, grip, and comfort. Its smaller diameter barrel allows high pressures to be reached with minimal effort, making it effective for demanding setups. Equipped with an extra-long high-strength hose and aluminum couplers, it provides flexibility when inflating tires on bikes positioned on the ground, in a repair stand, or mounted on a rack. The ABS-1 Pro Chuck ensures quick and secure compatibility with both Presta and Schrader valves, streamlining the process for different types of bicycles. The premium paint finish enhances durability while adding a sleek look, making it both functional and visually appealing in any cyclist's toolkit. Ideal for serious riders and cycling enthusiasts, this floor pump combines classic design with modern engineering to deliver dependable performance and long-lasting reliability for all high-pressure inflation needs. In our list, the number 2 product name is Topeak JoeBlow Ace DX Bike Pump. The Topeak JoeBlow Ace DX Bike Pump is designed to deliver efficient and powerful inflation for different types of bicycles. Built with strong anodized aluminum and supported by a stable aluminum and rubber base, it ensures durability for regular use. Its advanced 3-stage system allows the rider to handle a variety of inflation needs, moving smoothly from high volume to high pressure. The first stage operates with both barrels to provide maximum volume, the second stage uses the main barrel to reach higher levels, and the third stage works with the small barrel to achieve pressures as high as 260 pounds per square inch. The SmartHead DX1 pump head is compatible with different valve types and includes an air release button for fine adjustments. An extra long hose provides ease of use in different positions, while the wide base adds stability during operation. The pump offers a large volume per stroke, allowing faster inflation with less effort. It also includes useful accessories such as a Dunlop valve adapter, ball and bladder heads, and a hose dock for organized storage. Its base-mounted analog gauge allows clear and accurate pressure reading without bending down, making it more comfortable to monitor progress. With a weight of 2.45 kilograms and a compact yet tall structure, it is convenient for both home and workshop use. The Topeak JoeBlow Ace DX Bike Pump combines performance, strength, and user-friendly design, making it a valuable addition for any cyclist who needs reliable and precise tire inflation. In our list, the number 3 product name is CYCPLUS Tiny Portable Bike Pump. The CYCPLUS Tiny Pump Bike Pump is a compact and lightweight tool designed for quick and effortless bicycle tire inflation. Crafted from strong aluminum material, it combines portability with durability, making it suitable for cyclists who need an easy-to-carry solution. Its small size and low weight allow it to fit in a pocket, backpack, or bike bag without taking much space, making it convenient for both daily commutes and long rides. This portable pump can deliver powerful performance, reaching high pressure efficiently for different bicycle types. It supports both Schrader and Presta valves through a combined nozzle design, reducing the need for multiple accessories. With its rechargeable battery, it can provide enough power to inflate tires multiple times after a short charging period, making it dependable for on-the-go use. The pump is designed to offer quick inflation, enabling riders to restore tire pressure in minimal time, which is essential during outdoor cycling or in emergencies. Its simple one-button operation makes it easy to use, while the sturdy build ensures a long service life even after repeated use. Ideal for cycling enthusiasts, it allows sharing between riding partners when needed. Its design ensures that it can inflate numerous tires without losing performance, offering both practicality and reliability. The CYCPLUS Tiny Pump Bike Pump combines portability, strength, and ease of use, making it an excellent companion for maintaining tire pressure wherever your ride takes you. In our list, the number 4 product name is SILCA Tattico Mini Portable Bike Pump. The SILCA Tattico Mini Portable Pump for bicycles is a compact yet efficient tool designed to provide dependable inflation whenever needed. Made from durable aluminum, it combines lightweight construction with strength, making it suitable for both casual rides and long-distance cycling. Its small size allows it to fit easily in a jersey pocket or be mounted securely to a bike frame using the included bottle cage bracket, ensuring it is always within reach during a ride. The design includes an integrated hose with a reversible locking chuck that works with both Presta and Schrader valves, providing a secure connection and smooth airflow without unnecessary leaks. This setup helps prevent strain on the valve stem, allowing the rider to inflate tires comfortably and efficiently. Its air volume is greater than many other mini pumps, allowing for faster inflation and effective pressure levels suitable for different cycling needs. Independent tests have recognized it as one of the most efficient pumps of its size, making it a valuable addition to any cyclist's gear. Riders have praised its sturdy build, ease of use, and ability to fit in tight spaces between spokes. Its adaptable nature ensures that it can serve various bikes, from folding models to road and mountain types. Lightweight at only 165 grams, the SILCA Tattico Mini Portable Pump is built to handle regular use. In our list, the number 5 product name is Planet Bike ALX Bike Floor Pump. The Planet Bike ALX Bike Floor Pump is built for cyclists who value reliable performance and lasting quality. Made with a strong aluminum barrel and a smooth wooden handle, it combines durability with a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for regular tire maintenance. Its design allows compatibility with both Presta and Schrader valves, making it suitable for a wide range of bicycles including electric, road, gravel, mountain, and fat tire models. With the ability to reach high pressure levels, this pump delivers consistent airflow for quick and efficient inflation. The large built-in gauge offers clear pressure readings, helping to achieve accurate results every time. Beyond bicycles, it can also inflate sports equipment, inflatables, and other items around the home or garage, making it a versatile tool to keep on hand. Planet Bike designs its products with the cycling community in mind, supporting sustainable transportation and environmental causes through initiatives like 1% for the planet. The brand focuses on creating long-lasting, repairable products with minimal packaging and recyclable materials, ensuring a reduced environmental impact. This pump stands out not only for its performance, but also for its elegant red anodized finish, giving it a distinctive appearance. Riders appreciate its smooth operation, sturdy build, and dependable inflation for both daily rides and long-distance cycling adventures. The Planet Bike ALX Bike Floor Pump is a practical, eco-conscious choice that combines functionality, style, and the brand's commitment to a better cycling experience for all. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.